Okay, hello everyone. Let's take a look at the fourth Baguazhang switch, the catch leg switch. So today we'll start off real quick, just going through and watching the switch at full speed. And on the other side, going clockwise. Okay, so now let's take a look at the switch and I'll try and narrate it through at a slower pace or in slow motion with the names of the postures. So we'll start with scoop the water and flick, stopping with the right foot in front in an inverted stance, bending that left leg, swinging the left hand down, coming up and flicking with the left, coming down with the left leg into snake creeps down, hooking with the left hand, trap the leg and shatter the knee, kicking with the right in the leg sweep, circle the hands, come in, coiled dragon strikes leading with the right, and swooshing back, bringing the right foot in and stepping back out into the circle clockwise with the right foot, right hand up. And so now we'll just take a walk around in a clockwise direction with the right hand up, and we'll go through the other side, again at a little bit slower pace. Stopping with the left foot in front into an inverted stance, the right hand scoops down, scoop the water and flick, picking up the right foot or emptying it, flicking out with the right, dropping the right foot down into snake creeps down, leading directly into trap the leg and shatter the knee, hooking with the right, striking with the left, turning and kicking with the left leg, leg sweep, circle the arms around and come in leading with the left, coiled dragon strikes, both hands striking, and swoosh back again, bringing the left leg in, left hand high, back to a counterclockwise circle with the left hand up. Okay, so now let's take a look at each of the postures in a little bit more detail. Still slow motion. We'll start with scoop the water and flick. Looking at each side in slow motion, this side we're going to scoop down with the left hand, right knee inverting, picking up the left foot if you can, left hand striking out, and then the other side, invert, stopping with the left leg in front, bending the left knee, bending the right knee, scooping with the right hand, and coming up. That's just going to lead us into snake creeps down. In this case, we're going to drop the left hand down inside the leg, and that left leg's going to come out to the side stance, coming out. And then on the other side, right hand drops down, and the right leg comes out. And that's going to lead us into trap the leg and shatter the knee, where in this case, on this side, we're going to hook with the left hand and strike with the right, staying in a side stance if you can. And on the other side, we're hooking with the right hand and striking with the left hand, just under the hook. And then with the leg sweep, we're just going to bring that right leg up, kick and bend the knee. And the other side's the back leg, left leg on this one, kicking with the left, swinging it up and bending the knee, balance position or empty stance. Cross hands in circle. Right from there, your hands are just going to cross, come around, and in. Elbows together if you can, palms facing up. Turning towards the center, I'm going to go into coiled dragon strikes. And all you're going to do is step in towards the center with your balancing leg or lead leg, in this case the right foot on this picture, and left foot on the other side. Then we're just going to swoosh back, swing the arms back and down towards your rear leg, bringing the front foot back in and stepping back out into the new position. Hopefully your opposite hand is now up and you're walking in the opposite direction. Good, and that's it for the catch leg switch. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to try and support us if you can, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.